So much greatness to come. Susan, this is the cutest little topper piece. I always say
I
like
love that.
shrugs are, I think, a really fun alternative for people when they don't want to grab a denim jacket and they don't want something as long and thick and committed as a cardigan, because they are really just that topper piece that's great for getting rid of exposed shoulders, but they have that little kind of drape front, almost like shark bite hem, which is so cute.
Yes.
And this to me is a crazy opportunity. We have you here at a clearance price. Today, this went on clearance. 29 bucks. The price of a tank top for most brands. Sorry, I'm doing a lot all at one time. And I'm just gonna share with you, once we run out, we're done. This was normally over 60 bucks with tax and shipping. So today it came down for the first time and it's on free shipping. We have the black, this is all liquid knit. We have the navy and we have the white. It's a $10 bill to get home. Couple more call outs. One, we are so busy on the phone lines. If you can actually go to QVC.com or tap your app, that's how you're gonna get through for the lace applique thing that's new, for this crazy markdown price that nobody can believe.
This is insane.
Explain to everybody some of the details though, because it's not just a shrug. You did a little ruching. It's not a full length sleeve.
It actually is like a bracelet sleeve. So if you wear a big bulky, let's say a watch or beautiful jewelry, you can show off your jewelry. It's a bracelet sleeve that actually has, and maybe I'll come up closer to you, it has like a banding, you know, at the sleeve, and then all of this like ruching around the banding of the sleeve. So it has details. So people notice that, you know, while you're having dinner or if you're writing or, you know, people notice things like that. And for me, I mean, sometimes I don't want something big and oversized, but I also didn't make it too short. This is not like those little bolero little pieces. It's like that good length. Sometimes I'll take these because again, we do the front comes like really longer in the front and you can almost like squeeze it and wrap it around and make like a surplice blouse out of it. We always do that, you know, in the design studio. Take the pieces and really like have fun with them. Like let them work for you. There goes my Katya. She's got it going. I love what she's wearing with that bow blouse that's coming up. I have it over that beautiful, you know, border print that we just showed you. It is like that perfect answer. You know, you can literally roll this piece in a ball and stick it in your handbag. And when you go out to dinner, if you're sitting under the blower, you know, where the air conditioning's coming in or something's blowing down, you know, you just take it out of your handbag and you put it on. The perfect little piece over a sleeveless anything. It's like an everything top.
The black is the most popular, with the PK pants and this darling sleeveless bow polka dot blouse coming up. Like this is work ready, church ready. I also just want to say, because you have a little bit of the tails in front, you know, that shark bite drape front, it's not just what you saw Katya do by twisting them around and tucking them in back. You can also tie them. And that's a great look and is perfect
I love that.
for covering bare shoulders, but also over a sweet sundress with the spaghetti strap.
It do so much.
When there's a lot of volume down here in like a long maxi dress and you want to kind of bring it all in so your waist is not lost.
Right.
A piece like this is so great.
It's so great. And there's not ruffles on it. You know, there's not a whole lot going on. So it's like the easiest piece to wear, no matter what you're wearing it over. It's like you just throw it on. Sometimes I'll actually even take these and tie them in the back.
Okay,
you know, so
okay,
really
I like this. I like it.
Yeah, tie it in the back and then it's just covering my arms. Look how cute this is. Like if I have something sleeveless on and I tie it in the back.
Oh,
there you go.
You get real shrug.
You get like that real shrug that just covers your arms. Again, like we talk about like cool girl. Like that's like a really cool look. Especially the way you, it's such a good piece.
$9.
No, that's insane.
$9.
You have to
Ships
have it
for free.
the price.
The shipping goes away at the end of today. If you want the navy, there's fewer than 100. None of these are coming back. If you want the black, you wouldn't be wrong. The perfect go-to grab-and-go kind of black topper. And then the white is optic white, but because it's machine wash and it doesn't wrinkle and it's liquid knit, don't be afraid of it because
Get the white.
Oh, when you get into summer, that white.
Yeah. This is amazing in white. So pretty. Oh, I gotta put that on.
Up is
This is